fix my hair, but whatever. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to Vlogmas day Welcome to Vlogmas day 4. It's December 4th, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Good. So basically guys, today has been a busy day. It's already 3 p.m. and I just started Vlogmas because honestly the whole morning I spent doing work. Like, let me show you. Well, I was editing this video, but I also had like 3 papers to write. I had all these assignments and emails and just like technical things I have to do regarding like my insurance and just like the annoying things that I've had to get done today. Right now it's 3 p.m. I still have so much more work to do, but you know what, I'm not gonna stress. It's 3 p.m. I'm hungry and I have a problem because I want Chopped again. I think this is like the 4th time in, I don't think it's in a row, but like the 4th time in the span of like 7 days I've gotten Chopped. I just can't control myself. It's so good. And if you guys have had Sweetgreen, which is also my favorite, Chopped is a lot like Sweetgreen. I'd rather go to Sweetgreen, but there's a Chopped like 5 minutes away from my house. So let's go, let's get some food. I also want to get some wine because I want to take a bath tonight. I didn't take a bath 2 nights ago, which I originally planned on taking a bath, just because a lot of things got in the way. But tonight I'm going to take a bath, I'm going to drink some wine, I'm going to unwind and relax. So yeah, let's go. It is so rainy outside. It's literally so rainy and gloomy today. My room is so dark. Yeah, I actually got a few DMs about my Christmas decorations, so I don't have a lot, but I did go to Home Goods the other day and I picked up these things. I picked up this really cute, it's so dark in my room, I hope you can see this, but this really cute like mini Christmas tree. It's fake obviously, but it has like fake snow on it and these red ornaments, and I thought that would be so cute for my night table. And then I also got this nutcracker, and this is so cute. I believe he does open his mouth. Hold on, I'm trying to figure it out. Oh, there we go. He literally can crack some nuts. Wink wink. And guys, I betrayed myself because I bought a candle that's not my own, but this just smells so good, and it actually inspired me to make a snow candle for my line. It's so cute, smells so good. And then I also just got this sign that says snowflakes are just angel kisses. So really that's all I got. I also got this little tree. This is from Walgreens and it actually lights up. If you just click the switch, it lights up and it's so cute. I keep that like next to my plant, near my TV. And then this was a waste of money. I also got this from Walgreens. It was like 10 bucks. I don't know why I bought it. It's just a tree. It's not straight. I don't know how to get it straight, and it sheds glitter everywhere. So I put it over there. But that's basically it for my Christmas decorations. I did want to get a Christmas pillow and like a rug, but that never happened. I really want to get a Christmas tree for my hallway, but honestly guys, like I just don't have room for that, and like people aren't gonna come over this year. What is the point? You know, I'm happy with my little trinkets and stuff. But yeah, anyways, let us not waste time because I have to go get food, come back, finish my work, and let us I was trying to dance, but let's go get Chopped. I'm so weird, guys. Welcome to my weird life. My internet is so slow, guys. Do not get Optimum. Do not get Optimum. So right next to Chopped, there's a PetSmart, and this little girl has been so cold lately. Like her shirts are not warm enough. Look, she's shivering, my little baby. So we're gonna go. Oh, my little girl. We're gonna go and get my baby a sweater, like a jacket, a sweater, something to keep her really cuddly. All right, baby? Come on, let's go. She won't leave my lap. How am I supposed to drive? Oh my god, she's so cold. You know what? I don't think I should take her. Yeah, you know what? I'm not gonna take her because she looks like she's miserable. I'm just gonna go grab a sweater for her. Ooh, okay, let's go. Let's go put you back. So I'm deciding to get this fleece instead of the sweatshirt because it'll probably keep her warmer. On to my favorite place in the world. My favorite place, which is Chop. I got you a gift. I have a gift for you. Wow, she likes it. It's over there, Mila. Where's the light? And you know what? It's time for me to get cracking on my work because I have so much to do. All right, there we go. It's a little dark in my room right now because it's just dark in general in New York today. So I usually, from Chopped, I usually get the Harvest Bowl. If you guys are familiar with Sweet Green in the city, basically I would always get, when I used to work in Manhattan, I would always get the Harvest Bowl from Sweet Green, and oh my god, I literally loved it. It was so good and so healthy. It was kale and quinoa, spinach, goat cheese, apples, warm chicken, sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts, pumpkin seeds. It was so good. And now I don't work in Manhattan anymore, so I don't really have the chance to ever buy that, and I was sad. But I recently went to Chopped and they have their own Harvest Bowl and it tastes exactly like Sweet Greens. So I figured that out like a week ago and I've been continuously going there. But today I was like, you know what, let me change it up. I get the same bowl every day. So I got the Mediterranean bowl. My boyfriend got it yesterday and it looked good, so I wanted to try it. And yeah, so let's try it. It looks so good. Like, it has tomatoes and cabbage and lettuce and kale. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is the cabbage. It has chickpeas. And I got it with warm grains. Wow. Wow, that's so good. Oh, and it has feta cheese. Wow, amazing. 10 on 10, guys. So far, Mediterranean bowl, Harvest Bowl from Chopped, you gotta try it. I'm like not even chewing. So I really have to continue my work. I have so much to do. And it's already 4, but it's okay. The night is still young. If you guys want to know what wine I drank, oh my god, I don't know, I don't want to really promote drinking, but I'm still gonna show you guys. I'm in no way, shape, or form promoting drinking. I don't think you should drink every day. I think you should drink moderately. 1 glass of wine every couple of days is my thing. But let me tell you, this, oh, I got a big bottle today. This is the Barefoot Fruscato Peach. Basically, it's a Moscato, like rosé Moscato, but it's flavored with peach, and it is so good, guys. I love rosé, but I've been getting bored of just drinking like regular schmegler rosé. So I saw that Barefoot came out with this brand, and they have different flavors. They have peach, apple, watermelon, kiwi, but I've tried watermelon and it wasn't that great, but this peach one, let me tell you, so good. I would keep this refrigerated. It's in my room right now, but I'm gonna go downstairs and put it in the fridge. It is delicioso. And I drink wine not really to get, you know, wasted. I just, like, it really does relax me. The only wine I don't like is red wine because that makes me sleepy and it gets me drunk, basically. So I'm gonna do my work now, guys. I'm gonna eat, do my work, and I'll check in on you guys later. Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 5. So after I ran errands and stuff, I barely vlogged because as soon as I got home, I literally just I just worked myself to death. I had so much to do. I packed packages, I finished all my assignments. I was literally like really tired. And then my man came over and he came over with nachos. I literally knocked out on his lap like within 20 minutes of sitting down. Yeah, and now today is Saturday. I'm still in work mode. Like, I have so much to do, and I'm kind of stressed, but I feel rested, so that's good. And my boyfriend spoils me. He spoils me. Okay, he literally ordered me Dunkin' breakfast, and I don't know why, because I don't really eat breakfast, but he's so sweet. He ordered me a caramel latte, and I don't know what's in here, but I'll show you guys in a bit. And yeah, I always drink my tea in the morning as well. And yeah, so let me get started on my work. I really don't think today's gonna be exciting. I will try to make it as exciting as possible, but I just have a lot of things to get done. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you when I see you. He spoiled me. He got me an egg and cheese sandwich because he knows that's like my favorite sandwich. Snack and bacon, which, oh my god guys, you have to try it, so good. And 2 orders of hash browns. I already finished one. I probably won't eat this. And a caramel latte. He's just trying to get me fat so I won't ever leave him. I'm still doing work. It's almost 4 o'clock, but I wanted to show you. Wow, the sky looks so pretty. You can barely see, but oh, this is the view right now from where I'm sitting, and it's just so pretty. I can literally see the sun set. Ooh, a man brought me some bomb-ass food. Where is this from again? King of Falafel and Shawarma in Astoria, New York. Best halal food ever. I really should not be eating this, but what is that? Falafel. Did you get extra falafel? No, I think the guy just threw it in there. Oh, that's nice. Alright, anyways, we're gonna eat. Still have to work, relax. Boring Saturday, but this is real life, folks. Hello guys, it is currently 6:45 p.m. It is Saturday. I am still on my sofa doing work. I haven't left my house. I have barely even left my room today. It's been a boring vlog, Vlogmas day 5, but tomorrow will be exciting, so stay tuned for that. I just wanted to end the vlog here. We basically just ate food. This one came over, he's watching TV on the floor. I'm still doing work, and I probably will be for another 2 hours, so I just wanted to end the vlog here. Stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog because we are doing something extremely exciting. We are going to the Friends Experience in New York City, and then we're gonna go get barbecue. So tomorrow should be a little bit more exciting. But if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Your girl would so appreciate that. And yeah, so thank you for watching. I will see you in Vlogmas day 6. Yeah, 6. Okay.